Looking for an affordable yet top-notch entry into the world of vinyl playback? You're in luck. Today, we're diving into Dual's CS418 Manual Turntable, a true gem that not only impresses with its performance, but also surprises you with its unbeatable price. Hey there, I'm Raymond Miller from Audio Advisor. Let me tell you, this turntable has earned a stellar 5-star rating from What Hi-Fi. You know it's something special when it stands up proudly against much more expensive competitors. First up, let's talk about the precision aluminum tonearm. Imagine smooth, accurate tracking. That's because of quality ball bearings paired with thoughtful engineering. These are features that you don't typically find in this price range. But here it is. And hold on to your hats, folks. Every 418 comes equipped with the impressive Ortofon 2M Red Cartridge, factory-mounted and perfectly aligned just for you. This cartridge alone usually sets you back over $100, and it delivers natural, detailed sound that will make your records come alive. What really strikes me about this turntable is how user-friendly it is while bursting with true audiophile features. Switching between 33, 45, and 78 RPM is as easy as a push of a button, thanks to the electronic speed control. No fussy adjustments, just pure, effortless enjoyment. The precision-engineered aluminum platter paired with a high-quality rubber mat works wonder in controlling unwanted resonances. Together with a stable bearing design, you'll experience consistent and quiet playback that enhances every note you love. Let's talk about the belt drive system. It features a servo-controlled DC motor with rubber isolation mounts, which helps to keep motor vibrations away from your precious records. It's engineering like this that ensures your listening experience is nothing short of excellent. And here's a sweet bonus. Dual includes a built-in phono preamp that easily connects to any modern amplifier. As your system evolves, you can bypass it to add a separate phono stage. Talk about future-proofing your audio setup. The classic aesthetic of the 418 makes it blend beautifully into any decor. Plus, you get an included dust cover to protect your investment. But let's get to the heart of the matter, the sound. This is where the 418 truly shines. What Hi-Fi raves about its clean, precise, and detailed presentation. As someone who has worked closely with vinyl enthusiasts, I'm consistently amazed at the incredible sound quality you get for this price. It's enough to make you feel like you're at a live concert in the comfort of your own home. With adjustable tracking force and anti-skating features, you can optimize performance for your unique listening style. These features might sound sophisticated, but trust me, they are easy enough for beginners to get the hang of. As one enthusiastic reviewer put it, it's a perfect starter pack that also serves as an excellent foundation for something even better down the line. I couldn't agree more. The 418 sets you up with everything you need to enjoy vinyl now, while leaving room for future upgrades. Whether you're just starting your vinyl journey or returning to the warm world of records after some time away, this turntable promises an engaging sound experience that won't bust your budget. With a solid 5-year warranty, Dual truly believes in their product. At Audio Advisor, our dedicated team is here to assist you every step of the way. So visit audioadvisor.com or give us a call at 800-942-0220. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm Ray Miller, and just remember, your path to quality vinyl playback starts right here. Let's spin those records.